Hello, everyone, respected judges. So, the problem statement that we have chosen for the hackathon is revolving around the topic finance management. In finance management, namely, we have implemented two concepts, that is, stock market price prediction and the probability of going over budget. So, we have used machine learning and deep learning to implement these. So, let me take this moment of yours to introduce you all to the model that we have built for stock market prediction. Yeah, so stock price prediction or stock market is one of the most hot topics of the day. So, what our deep learning model does is it takes the open price of the stock market as the input and predicts the ultimate stock price of that particular instance. So, we've used deep learning here, namely TensorFlow and bidirectional LSTM to implement this deep learning model. So, now let's check with a few sample inputs. So let's give 792 and predict it. So for 792, the stock price that was predicted was 7799.0. Now let's give 812.4 and let's predict the output. So for that, the output predicted was 818.2. So this is what a deep learning model does. It takes the open price of the stock market as the input and it will predict the ultimate stock price that is going to come. And now let's move on to the next implementation that we've done, Monte Carlo simulation. So Monte Carlo simulation is a very essential algorithm that is used to predict the risk in finance management and in deciding our budgets. So what we have done here is we've used Monte Carlo simulation optimization technique to predict if our budget goes over budget. That is, it takes in our budget as the input and checks if the budget goes over the required budget or not. So now let's give a sample input. Let's give 8 lakh as the input. So now the prediction is that the budget is okay. That is, it won't go overboard. And now let's give some small budget like 2000 as the input. Now the prediction is that the budget is not okay. That is, our budget won't meet the required budget. So we've used Monte Carlo simulation to implement this concept. So this is about the two implementations that we have done. And we have a few other pages also in our website. So this is the page about model. This about model page shows the implementation details of our deep learning model and also Monte Carlo simulation. So we have implemented these models and we have hosted a website using Flask and front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is the website that we have hosted. So the next part project that we have built is a Flutter application for the website that we have built. So this is a Flutter application that we built using Flutter and Dart. So this is very similar to the website that we have made using Flutter. So now let's check using some samples. So now let us predict a value for a stock price. Let us give 610 as the open price. Yeah, so for 610, the stock price was predicted to be 616.4. Now, let's move on to budget stability using Monte Carlo simulation. So now let's give an input of 400. Now let's predict for 400. Yeah, so the budget is not okay. That is, we are going over budget for the present budget, that is 400. So this is the Flutter app that we have built. It has the same functionalities as the previous website that we have built using Flask. So this is the hackathon project that we have built. Thank you for watching.